Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Benevento, an ophthalmologist at Eye Surgeons Associates, and I'm here to show you an easy way to clean your anti-reflective lenses. Anti-reflective coated lenses are popular for a number of reasons. They reduce glare, especially at night. They look better with less reflection off the lens, so you see more of the eyes and less of the glasses. And they allow more light to pass through the lens, potentially improving your vision when the lights are low. However, a knock on anti-reflective lenses is that they can show fingerprints and oils more than regular glasses. So here's my quick and easy trick on how to clean them. So anti-reflective coated lenses are hydrophobic, which means water sheets off them, almost like water beads up on a freshly waxed car. This is how we take advantage of that. So you turn on the water, you want a nice stream of water. You just wet the lenses. Put a little dab of your plain Dawn dishwasher soap on there, just a little bit. You get in those nose pads. And then you just put it under, nice steady stream of water, it sheets right off. And if you do it slowly enough, you're not going to get a whole lot of spots. If you do, you can just dab them, but you don't have to do much else. And that is about it. This technique doesn't require any lens cloth, which makes it safer for the lenses. If you like to work with wood or out in the garden, if you get any grit on your lens and use that lens cloth, you're going to make little circular scratches on them. With this technique, you wash off the lens first, and if you have any grit, you're going to feel it with your finger and you're going to stop. So I found that this actually makes my lenses last a lot longer when I use this way to clean them. That's all there is to it. Quick, easy, and cheap. We don't get to say that very often. If your glasses have seen better days, feel free to call us and we'll pop you in and have one of our opticians take care of you. But don't shy away from anti-reflective lenses. They're actually pretty easy to take care of. Thanks for watching.